Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how we can create a Gamezone website using the DeepSeek AI. So here we go. So in this web app, we are going to create here the multiple games. So whenever someone open your website, so they can see the multiple games. So let me show you how we can create this, okay? And then at the last, we are going to host that anyone can access your web application in the whole world. So how we can do this? So here we go. So first of all, open the chat.deepseek.com and just write a simple prompt here. I'll give you that prompt in the description. Create a fully responsive one-page Gamezone website using only HTML, CSS, and JS. Without any framework, the page should feature multiple mini games such as tic-tac-toe, snack, memory game like this. So we have right here the simple prompt. I'll give you that from the description and let's see. The DeepSeek gonna create the amazing Gamezone website for us, and then we're gonna make that website live. Now we have that Gamezone website whole code. Okay, you can just download that file. We need to rename that file to something like gamezone.html. Let me just open that file in the Chrome. So right click on that, open and open with Google Chrome. Fantastic. As you can see here, this is the game zone we have, and we have here multiple games. DeepSeek just added here the only 4 games. So you can add the more games here. Let's try to play. Let's try this one, tic-tac-toe. Wow, fantastic. We can play this amazing game. Nice. Cross this. You can play the snack game like this. You can play the memory card game. Wow, very nice. And you can play the rock, paper, scissors game also. Fantastic. So here you can add the multiple games, and all these games you can host. Now how we can host that fight? So first of all, open the GitHub. And if you don't have accounts, you need to create accounts. Once you create an account, you need to click on the new, and then we need to create a repo. Okay. So that's repo name is Gamezone. Okay. And just make it public, and let's click on the create repository. Okay, done. Now as you can see here, here's the option like upload existing file. Okay, so click on the upload file, and here we need to upload. Click on choose your file. Now let's rewrite it, rename it index.html. Now click on choose file, and then upload that file index.html. Now click on the commit changes, and it's done. Okay, so you can just open that in next.html and you can see all the code here. Cool. Now go back and you can see the setting option. Click on this. In the left side, you will see the pages option. Click on this. Now make sure click on the none here, branch, and select main, and then save it. Done. Now just wait some seconds, maybe the 10 seconds, sometimes the 30 seconds, and that will give you the link of your page. Okay. Now you can see we have your site is live. Now open this file, open this link, and fantastic. This is the live Gamezone website. You can open this in incognito window, or you can share this link with any of your friends, and anyone in the whole world can access your website. You can see you created the Gamezone website. Fantastic. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.